for Tuesday, April 28th, 2020, and we are continuing our review of reporting category 3. Reporting category 3 is over geometry and measurement, specifically proportionality, expressions, equations, and relationships, and two-dimensional shapes. So today we're going to be reviewing transformations. Transformations, we have reflections where we flip over an axis. We have a rotation where it turns. We have translations where the figure moved or slides. And then we have dilations where we have images that get bigger or smaller. They change size. So here is a review of the algebraic rules for transformations. Make sure you have these in your math notebook. If you do not, make sure you jot these down. It's very important that we know our algebraic rules for transformations. All right, so which algebraic representation matches the reflection above? So press pause on this recording, work this problem out, and then when you're ready to check your answer, then you can press play again. All right, so I looked here at point A, and our original point A is over here at 6, -3. And A prime, after the image is reflected, A prime, our new A, is now at -6, -3. So what happened here to our coordinates, we'll see that the x coordinate changed signs. So our rule here is xy transforms to -xy. So basically, when you have an image that is reflected across the y-axis, the x coordinate changes signs. All right, a rotation question. The coordinate grid shows a parallelogram PQRS. Parallelogram PQRS is rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the origin to create parallelogram PQRS prime. Which rule describes this transformation? Again, press pause and work this problem out. When you're ready to check your answer, press play. All right, so I looked here at our rules for transformations. We have this rule in our transformation notes that we talked about earlier. We know that when we rotate an image 90 degrees clockwise, that our rule is where our x and y coordinates change places and the x changes signs. So our original our original S point is here at -3, 2. If we were to rotate this 90 degrees clockwise, our S prime would be at 2, 3. So you'll see that they change places and the 3 becomes positive. A translation. Okay, try this one out. Write your rule for this translation. Okay, so if I look here at point T is originally at 2, -1. And then once we perform this translation, T prime is now at -1, 3. So we went 3 places to the left, 1, 2, 3, and then we went 4 places up. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to get from our original T to its new position. So our change in our x is -3, so x -3, and our change in y is +4, so y +4. Try this one out. What is the rule? The coordinate grid shows a pentagon. The pentagon is translated 1 unit to the left and 10 units down to create the new pentagon. So write the rule for this translation. Press pause, press play when you're ready to check. All right, so 1 unit to the left would be x minus 1, and 10 units down would be y minus 10. So A is the correct answer here. Try this one. Which algebraic representation matches the transformation above? So we look at point T here. Our original T is at -1, -3, and T prime is at 1, -3. So we see that the x coordinate changed the sign, and then the y coordinate changed the same. So what we have here is a reflection across the y-axis. And so like we talked about before, when we have a reflection across the y-axis, our x-coordinate changes signs. So the answer to this question is A. Our rule is xy transforms to become -xy. This is a reflection. Try another one out. A figure is graphed in the coordinate grid as shown. The figure is rotated 180 degrees clockwise with the origin as the center of rotation to create a new figure. Which rule describes this transformation? All right, so our rule for a rotation of 180 degrees is -x, -y. So the answer is A. Rotations are very hard to draw, so it is very important that you memorize your rules for those rotations specifically. Try this one out. It says triangle RST is translated 6 units to the left and 4 units up to create triangle RST prime. Which rule best describes this transformation? Alright, the answer here is D. So if you just look at any of these points, I looked here at S, and I went left 6 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 4 places up to get from our beginning S to our end. So D is the rule for this translation. All right, Pentagon VWXYZ is shown on the coordinate grid. A student reflected pentagon VWXY across the x-axis to create VWXYZ prime. Which rule describes this transformation? All right, so we know we've talked twice already during this lesson that when we have a reflection across the y-axis, the x variable changes sign. So this question is asking what's going to happen when we reflect across the x-axis. And so when we reflect across the x-axis, our y-coordinate changes sign. The answer here is A. All right, awesome job reviewing some more of our reporting category 3 today. Your assignment for this week is 13.03B in USA Test Prep. Please reach out to me, guys, if you have any questions or concerns. Keep